Okay, see here, this is your program. Okay, here at second line we have declared a function. In second line we have declared a function. Then int main integer a is equal to 5 and c. Then c is equal to fact a. So printf factorial of 5 is equal to c. So whenever here declared c is equal to fact a, go to the definition of fact function. Here local variable p is declared. Now p is equal to value of a. P is equal to value of a. So a is equal to 5. So p is equal to 5. Then here f is equal to 1. Then check p is equal to 1. No. Then go to this statement. F is equal to p into factorial p minus 1. So here p into factorial p minus 1, that means value of p is 5 into factorial of 5 minus 1. So 5 into factorial of 4. So here same function called again. So go to the definition of this. Here now p is equal to 4. Then check f is equal to 1. See here, in this code you have declared here in first step you have declared p is equal to 5, f is equal to 1. So check this condition, p is equal to 1. So this condition becomes false. Go to the else statement. Here f is equal to p, f is equal to p into fact of p minus 1. So here value of p is 5 into fact 5 minus 1. So which is equal to 5 into fact here 4. F is equal to 4. So same function fact 4 is called here again. Fact 4 is called here again. So go to the definition of again fact. Now p is equal to 4. Second condition, p is equal to 4 and f is equal to 1. Again check here 4 is equal to 1. No. Then go to this definition. Fact f is equal to p into fact p minus 1. So here 4 into fact 4 minus 1. So here 4 into fact 3. So go to the definition of here again. You have called the same function fact 3. Go to the definition of this function. Now p is equal to 3, f is equal to 1. Check again this condition. Check this condition. So here 3 is equal to 1. This condition becomes false. So here f is equal to p into fact 3 minus 1, that is p minus 1. So here 3 into fact 3 minus 1. So here 3 into fact 2. Here again same function is called. Go to the definition here. P is equal to 1. P is equal to 2. So P is equal to 2. F is equal to 1. Check this condition. P is equal to 1. This condition becomes false. So go to the else part here. F is equal to P into fact of P minus 1. So here 2 into fact of 2 minus 1. So 2 into fact minus 1, that is fact of 2 minus 1, that is 1. So here again same function is called. Go to the definition. Now P is equal to 1. P is equal to 1. F is equal to 1. Then P is equal to 1. F is equal to 1. Then check this condition. P is equal to 1. Yes. Then return 1. So value of this fact is 1. So you will get here, you will get 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Here you will get F is equal to 2. So this value of this F of 2, this value is F of 2. So here next time you will get F is equal to 3 into F of 2 means 2. F of 2 means 2. So this F is equal to 6. So this 6 value is from F of 3. From F of 3. So you will get F is equal to 4 into 6. You will get 24. This value of F of 4. So next time you will get F is equal to 5 into F of fact of 4. Fact of 4. Fact of 4 is equal to 24. So F is equal to 5 into 24. You will get 120. And this 120 value is passed to this function. Passed to this function, that is C is equal to 120, and you will get factorial of number C is equal to, that is 5 factorial is equal to 120. Did you get? समझ code?
Yes, sir.
Is there any query? This is the recursive function, factorial by using recursive function. Okay. See here, what is the output? So factorial of 5 is equal to 120. Okay, suppose you are taking here a is equal to suppose 7, then factorial of 7 is equal to, what is the value? Factorial of 7, what is the value? Here we should have to change. Factorial of 7 is equal to 5040. But what is the factorial of 8? So we should write, see here, eight factorial is equal to 8 into 7 factorial. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So 8 into 7 factorial. 7 factorial is equal to 5040. Then what is the multiplication? Nearly about, okay, nearly about, approximately. I am not talking accurately. Approximately 40,000. Okay. And we have taken here data type as a integer. Here we have taken data type here integer. So what is the range of integer? What is range of integer? Minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Then this number 40,000, this number exceeds this range, then you didn't get the accurate value of 8 factorial. We will see, or will try what is the value of factorial 8. Here I will change the digit, here 8, and here factorial of 8. So it will give in negative. What is the reason? Because range of integer is maximum range plus 32,767, and here we get approximately 40,000. Okay, that is here 320 is more, so it will exceed than the range. That's why it is not possible to take integer value. Suppose I want to take the factorial of 8, then here I should have to declare another variable. I think you have studied, or ma'am has told to you, that is long data type. Okay, long data type शिकलाय तुम्ही, long integer. So here we should have to declare integer, long integer, as well as here we should have declare percentage LD, L for long and D for integer. Then here we should have to declare control F9, will get value of 8. 1 minute. Here long, here also long, also long. You will get. Okay,
Yes,
are
sir.
you getting? Are you getting why your data type is changed? Because range of integer is plus 32,767, and factorial of 8 is more than this. That's why here we have taken long integer data type. Are you getting? Is there any problem? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, we'll stop here. Next lecture, we'll see next part. I think you have prepared videos. Hello?
Yes.